everyone. Good afternoon. Out of PSI. Thank you for coming. So we are launching our market product for GroundCheck.ai, and we are privileged to have the FINO team and FINO ND and team for listening to our product. Thank you very much.
Most welcome. It's my pleasure to be here and doing the opening thing. So we started our relationship with Authbridge some time back. We already have one or two products for verifications. We are looking at enriching those relationships further. I think GroundCheck will further help us to bring all the physical work which we do at the back end to the ground on the go. This will help us in scaling up. This will also bring a lot of speed, and I'm sure with the safety net which is there with lot lat long, photo, liveliness, everything which is there inherent in the product will make sure that the rejection rates are low, and also give the regulator the comfort, yes, on the ground a proper verification has been done. So Authbridge has been a great partner, and we look forward to deepening this relationship, and I think such kind of products is the need of the hour, and I'm sure with this, I'm sure you will get a lot of clients, and I wish Ajay and his entire team a big congratulations on this path-breaking product.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you for the. I just like to say a couple of things. Ajay is not this. We deeply miss him. But we at Authbridge are trying to level best. With the best brand ambassador for Authbridge. Thank you, Rishi. And actually, how this whole thing came about, I was discussing with Ajay some time back. He more of a product mindset. So he gave the wonderful thing saying, don't look for customers for your solutions. Because look for solutions for your customers. Instead of just taking what you have to the customers, try and make something that they need, that they want, right? And that's how we started. At GroundCheck, we found there is a problem statement in the BFSI sector where address verification is very fragmented. And obviously there is tier 1, tier 2, tier 3. And it becomes a problem for the BFSI segment to consolidate. Secondly, also the BFSI segment, I believe, is wanting to move a lot of verification digitally, but they are just not able to trust the digital piece, because they want it binary, या तो 0 या 1 होगा, तो है कि नहीं है. And hence, our DNA as a company is aligned to the verification piece. We had a wonderful product like DAV, and the whole team, thanks to Philo who also guided us, we built a lot of solutions around it. So we have a very comprehensive solution called GroundCheck. I will not take much time. I'll just break it up into 4 parts. The first part is digital, which will be like a DIY journey, very cost effective, and we have put a very robust scoring model behind it, which will mitigate a lot of concerns the BFSI industry has. The second part will be a video synthesis on the same platform, which is already there in the industry. But we will guide up with a lot of e-com players. Instead of doing a full verification, we can send an agent who can drop a letter, do an address verification through OTP method and come back. This will also be extremely cost effective and time effective. And fourth will be the physical security, and that's why we call it GroundCheck.ai. We are getting a lot of response from the market, and FINO is something we are taking this product deeper. And I hope this will be a solution that will solve some problems in the market. Thank you again to the FINO team and Rishi.
Thank you. We wish you all the best.
Yeah.
Not only for GroundCheck but Authbridge as a company also. And I'm sure with under Ajay's leadership, the company will keep on growing and new products. And there are a lot of problems in the BFSI segment. I think a lot of this will get cleared through this process.
Thank you. Thank you, FINO team.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.